Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl, Jerry Kabiru. I'm trying to look for good lighting. I think we're good there. So, as you know, I do DIYs, making tire tables, tire autumns, stroke stools, decorating wine bottles, every creativity. I got an opportunity to train young men from Teens Challenge Rehabilitation Center, and I go there every Tuesday and Thursday, and I've been collecting content just to show you. Like last class we did a tire table. It was awesome tire table. So today I want to show you what we made and how we made it. Let me take you through that journey, and I hope you will enjoy. So it is the second month of this project, and guess what? We have done tire tables. Guys, what do you think? Look at this. It is not my work, it's my students' work. So we have really enjoyed this, isn't it, guys?
Yes.
We had amazing class, and I think you're going to see much more coming your way. So guys, welcome to my class. I have the most amazing class, the most amazing student. Guess what? The Holy Spirit is always there to lead us. Now, we buy paints, different colors, but the paint is called synthetic paint. I have mentioned 1,000 times on this channel that I use synthetic paint. This paint, you buy it in an auto garage where they're repairing cars or repainting of the cars. That is where I buy the paints. Then we clean the tires. It's important to clean your tire. Make sure your tire is super clean, and then let it dry in the sun. I mean, you can wipe it with a cloth, then let it dry, because then your paint will stay there in all season, during the rainy and the sunny season. So after my student cleaned the tires, now we went into the painting. There is the paint. You mix whatever you want, and we used a little bit of thinner here and there depending on the color of the paint, how light you want it to be, what color you want it to be. And to clean your brushes, you need the thinner. The thinner helps it. So each group decided their color or whatever they want to do with the tire. My work was just to tell them how to do it, but 90% of this my student did, you know. So after we painted the tires, we left the tire to dry to the next class. My classes are always on Tuesdays and Thursday. If you'd like to come with me, visit these amazing people, let me know. So we left the tires. We did it on Tuesday. We came to finish on Thursday. We gave it a 48 hours time to dry really well, and they had so much amazing creativity to put in. So after that, I will take you through the process of putting the top, the bottom, and the legs. But overall, leave a comment on the channel. Let me know what you think about this project. Is it awesome? So guys, come with me. This is team art. So they have already made this tire. You see, it has acacia tree. What, guys? Explain your work.
Explain your work.
Okay, this is a savanna grassland.
Savannah grassland. I have to be like grass because I can't go like that.
Yeah, we have acacia trees. You can see them around, and some grass. Okay.
But it's still a work in progress.
So, what's your plan? This is what I do to my students. I never teach them. I just ask them, what's your plan?
So we are planning to put this top cover. It's the bottom cover. Okay, we want to put the top cover with the solidity to put a covering. Then on the bottom side, we do the same with this, with another board. Then we put
the leg. What color are you planning to put on top?
Blue, white. Yeah, because the white will disable this.
Yes. Then you're good to go. So what we did, we had two round boards, one for the bottom and the other one for the top. For the bottom, you need to attach the legs. The legs, we bought them in Gikomba market. We have someone who carves the legs there. We went and bought them and then came and attached them to the round board. And after attaching them, then we take the whole board, the one with the legs, that one that I'm touching, and attach it to the tire. I mean, you will see as the video moves on. And after attaching it together to the tire, then we turn the tire upside down and attach the top side to the tire. Now we are attaching the bottom side to the tire. You know, those colors are working amazingly. What do you think? What do you think? For me, they worked amazingly. This project really surprised me. Like, anyone can do anything if they put their mind into it. So the bottom side is ready. Now the top side is there. Put 4 screws, and then on the screw paint a bit of black that no one can really see from afar that you screwed. And after that table was ready. You will see it at the end. So we repeated the process with a few tables, but in total we made 5 tables. Now with this team, we are hoping to do an exhibition by the end of the year. If you want to come to the exhibition, let me know. Leave the comment down below, say interested to the exhibition, and when that time comes, we will reach out and invite you to that exhibition. But there you go. Every project was amazing. This table also, the colors worked. All the tables were amazing creation. So for me, I enjoy doing this. It's something that I hope to do internationally, something I hope to do every day. Go and give and share the skill. Let me know what you think about this project. For me, from here in my studio, until the next time, I'm going to say thank you for watching and have a blessed, amazing month of November. Bye.